Hi everyone, it's Omikins. I'm back again for another unboxing. This time it's One Up Boxes March 2006 box. Box? Lots of another box. March 2006 One Up Box versus. Whew. Almost tongue-tied, almost. So close. So yeah, let's just get right into this. I'm gonna drop it. Trusty, dusty, sharp thing to open it. There we go. Alright. I'm losing things. I'm such a klutz. Alright, let's put anything else, Paul? Maybe? No? I think I'm good. I'm just so excited every time I get any of my loot boxes. I'm just so crazy for them. Okay. T-shirt aside, because we know that's always second last with me. Alright, let's give it a good look-see. So, took the t-shirt out. That's what's in there. Let's see. We got Donatello. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's a Nickelodeon plushie. He's cute. He's gonna join my pile that's starting over here. That's been started. Looks like we got one of box sticky pads, which are good because I like them. I like sticky pads. I have notes all over the place. It's like the first time I've ever had to do a cut with one of these, and it's kind of frustrating. Anyways, I'm back, and it looks like I got these magnets here that go together, like so. Let me take a look. Do you know why? Do you ever wonder why we're here? Why are we here? Okay, is this? I, I, I'm gonna have to look at the little paper that they give you because I mean it's cool and all, but is it Halo? I mean, red versus blue, right? That's what I'm getting from that. Okay. What do we got here? It's looking to be Mario-esque. They're shoelaces. Yep, Mario shoelaces. Looks like there's Bowser Mario and a peach crown on them. I don't know if you can actually see. Shoelaces. Those will go good on my high tops. And it looks like this is an exclusive Trinity pin. Batman, Superman, and I don't know. I apologize. I'm not exactly comic book savvy. I know some things. But who's the Trinity with Batman and Superman? Who's the third? Alright, so got the paper, got the pin out. We're gonna look at the shirt now. Oh, let's see. Got Batman, Superman, and Wonder Woman. Is that the third person in the Trinity? I mean, that is a cool shirt. That is a wicked cool shirt. I love it. Hmm. I approve. Thank you, One Up Box. Very nice. Very nice. Another look-see-loo. Very cool. And then, of course, we have the pin. And it definitely is red versus blue on there. It looks like they're playing on an arcade system there. So let's just double check what's on the paper. Yep, we got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles plushies. You could have got one of the four characters. I got Donatello. Personally, my favorite. Number two was the face-off magnets, which is red versus blue. Three was the super shoelaces, which is the Super Mario shoelaces. Number four was the vault note. So stay ahead of the apocalypse. Okay, so it's Fallout 4, Fallout, Notepad. Number five was the Trinity pin. Doesn't say who's on it, but I mean, looking at the shirt, I can assume that the third piece of the Trinity is Wonder Woman. Um, Number six was the shirt, which I'm gonna give you another quick look at because it's so cool. Actually, I really, really like it. So that was 2016 of the One Up Box from March. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching. Make sure to check out all the information down below and I will see you next time. Laters.